Yes, hi guys. Today we are unboxing USB4 Thunderbolt 4 cable, which has 240 watts of USB-C to USB-C connection. It will connect your MacBook, iPad directly with the external monitor, which has a USB-C connection. So as you see, this is from the company called Biz, which is a Chinese brand, and it has some status or ratings here. So if you can see, it is 200 centimeter long, and this is also having some of the SKU IDs and all written in Chinese, and basically it is a Chinese product. Now if we are going to see what it contains, like it has 8K up to 60 hertz connectivity with Thunderbolt 4 cable. It can directly charge your MacBook or iPad or laptops, and provide the display output as well in a single cable, as well as 40 gigabytes transfer speed of data, as well as 240 watts of charging speed. And it is a braided cable, so there is no issue with the breaking of cables basically. So let us see what else is this contains. So let us unbox this. We will cut this and open this. So basically the box contains only the cable here. It is wrapped into this polythene, and once we open this is the cable, which looks very rugged and solid, so it is don't have any bending issues. Also it is protected from the sides and from the top also. So this looks a very amazing cable. It comes on Amazon with a price of 1200 rupees. I will put the link in the descriptions of the video, so you can purchase it directly from my link. And once I open this cable, you can see it is directly this long. Basically this is so basically it is having 1.2 meters of length. And let us connect and check whether it is working or not. So guys, now we are checking with the Huggies cable, which we unboxed recently. Recently we have put down the video for this unboxing, and now let us check whether it is working correctly or not. So let us connect this cable, one end from our MacBook. Basically there are two ports here, if you can see. If I connect this here from the first port and put down this MacBook, and then if I go ahead and connect the other ports into the USB-C of my external monitor, so if I connect this here, so if you can see, it is connected now. The MacBook has already been put into resolution, and also if I go into my monitor and check the connectivity, so here you can see there is another connection which comes in my monitor, and it is directly outputting all the resolution of my MacBook to my external monitor. And it is simultaneously, if you can see, once it goes into sleep, it will also sleep the monitor, but also all the things are working correctly here. So if you can see here, there is a charging is also provided, and charging is also going on. Simultaneously the output is transferred to my monitor, to my MacBook, with PD charging also. So this is what it is like working with this monitor cable. And so continuing our connection to MacBook, also we can connect the iPad, if you can see here, with this cable, and it is directly connected to my external monitor with USB-C connection, if you can see here. So if I wake up my iPad, basically if you can see, it is displaying all the things from here to there. And just I wanted to open my iPad. I've done the software update recently. If I click on continue, you can see everything is connected with that. It is asking for Apple Pay, continue, add card, setup later, we can do later. Apple Intelligence is also there. Everything is now set up. So if you can see, all the screen are visible, but there is a line which is coming. So we can resolve this issue with iPad connection. Basically what we have to do is just go into the settings, and let's go into the setting of the iPad, and in there is a tab called display and brightness. If you come to display and brightness, from here just select the one with the built-in display. Built-in display, you just click on the reference mode, and just go back. In the Samsung one, you have to allow display changes, arrangement, mirror display. You have to turn off the mirror display basically. So basically what it will do, it will pull your all the things like the iPad into basically external connection with the iPad. So either you can do this is fully now come to a screen, basically filled up all the things on the screen, and now it is visible here. You can connect with this one with your Bluetooth accessories like the keyboards and your magic mouse. Basically you can connect this with your keyboard and magic mouse, and it will run all the things in your external monitor. So let me just connect this and see if it is working. We have to go into Bluetooth of the iPad. So there will be a magic mouse. We can click it. It is now connected. Okay, so you can see there is I can move my mouse here, magic mouse, and it will be reflecting here. If I open the Safari will open fully here, and I can just close this and make it a big size by going into tab, maximize, enter full screen. So I can browse everything from here. Basically the Safari tab, I can go to the Apple website and check whether mouse is working. So you can see I am on Apple website, everything works fine, as smooth as possible. So this is a very nice cable. You can buy it from my link, and it will be a great way of doing the external support with the monitor. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. We will be keep posting another cool hack videos like this, and thank you for watching. Bye.